Do you know that you can get better heart health from candy? Americans are bombarded with reports to raise their HDL, the good cholesterol, and lower their LDL or bad. While the terms can be difficult to remember, many already know that cholesterol levels need to be controlled to improve heart health and overall wellness. To do this, many are watching their diets while also checking with a health care professional for the best strategies. But for many, maintaining a healthy cholesterol level is difficult and often expensive. Prescription treatments for cholesterol can cost several $100s per month, by some estimates. In response to these concerns, Mosaic Nutraceuticals, a Dallas-based company, has come up with a way to address the cholesterol issue. Wrapped in a soft candy chew, Lipitrine, Mosaic's aid in promoting cholesterol health, is an option for those wanting to control their cholesterol without pills or expensive prescriptions. People have to watch their cholesterol in order to maintain good heart health. People also like candy, said Charles Townsend, Chief Executive Officer of Mosaic. We took these two issues and combined them into Lipitrine, which is loaded with the natural cholesterol control agent policosanol. If you want to know more about healthy programs, please check the descriptions below.